This video shows how to set up multi-factor authentication on your Cloud Backup account. So from our website, you can click Login, and this is where you want to log into your account. And I'm going to type in a user account. And I'm going to log in. And now that I'm logged in, I have access to my backup stuff. First, it's important to note that you need to have some sort of authenticator app to be able to finish this process. So if you've set up multi-factor on pretty much any other account, you'll have an authenticator app of some sort probably already. Some different ones you can use are LastPass, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. Those are just some of the ones, and these are free apps that you use to help you manage multi-factor with different accounts. And there's two different ways to access the information to set up multi-factor. You can either click Users here, or you can click your username up here in the corner. Either one's going to take you to the same place. So if I go Users, and then I'm going to click on the user I want to add multi-factor to. So I see multi-factor authentication. So I'm going to enable it, and I'm going to say generate a new token, and then I'm going to get a warning, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to do that? Since this wasn't enabled, this is fine, but if you had already generated one and then you generate a new one, you're going to need to make sure you update your authenticator app or you will be locked out. So I just want to make sure that you understand that's what this is telling you, that if you already have one and you just generate a random new one, but you don't actually update your app, you're going to get locked out. So I'm going to say OK, and it's going to give me this QR code to read. And then I would use my Authenticator app to do this. So you basically go to your smartphone and you open your Authenticator app, whichever version you're using, and you want to add a new account, and you can just say an other account if it asked you that. And then you just scan the code with your phone, and it'll automatically bring in that new account, and it will add it to your that app, whichever Authenticator app you're using. And then when you go to log in, so I just did that on my phone. I'm going to log in again with the same account. And now I'm going to get asked to enter a code. And I have the code on my phone, so I'm going to enter this code. It's always a 6-digit code. And now I can still log in. And if I go back to users and expand these, I can see this. Here's where that code is. So now I can verify that this is actually in this account, and if I look at either one, they both already have that enabled. So you'll notice that when I click on the other user, I cannot see what that code is, and that's for security reasons. So even if you own both those accounts, you can only see the QR code for the account that you have actually logged in as. So that's how you set up multi-factor on your backup account.